Welcome to Integrity Car Sales and Rentals. Today we have a 2017 Nissan Serena in white. Alright, today we're going to talk about some features of the front of the car first. So we've got automatic headlights. We've also got cruise control, which is quite rare in these vehicles, so that's a special feature that you don't normally see. We've got a specialized economy button, which will change the way the engine behaves to maximize your fuel economy, which is fantastic in the current economic climate. We've got an automatic driver's window. We've also got folding in mirrors, which is fantastic if you park on a busy street. New in the Serenas, we actually have a nice dual zone climate control. You have an on and off setting for the rear. You can also set it from the front, which is fantastic. And you've got an auto function, which is great. You have this wonderful display up the front, which can give you your RPMs and your economy information. So this newer Serena's come packed full with extra features and things that we really haven't seen before by Nissan. You've got your standard cup holders and the usual sort of stuff. Another really cool feature is you've got two glove boxes, which is quite rare in cars. You got a little cubby for all of your service history, which this vehicle has. As you can see, it's fully booked up. You've got everything that you need. All of the service history and everything's in there. Go. So lots of cubby holes. You've got one sitting up here. You got lots sitting down there. So heaps of cubby holes. Really comfortable seating. An automatic transmission, automatic wipers, and a left-hand sliding power door. Going to the back now, we've got two able-bodied seats in the second row in this nice tan/grey interior with a stitched front. Grab handles for safety purposes as well. Very economical vehicle with lots of economy focused features in it. In the back we've got a manual pull down ramp. All you have to do is pull this lever and out it comes. You've got a little handle there and it slides out. It's a spring-loaded aluminium ramp, very easy to lift up and down, and it's quite a wide ramp as well. It should fit most wheelchairs. You've also got the lowering function right here. Just press and hold and it will lower the vehicle. So in this vehicle, we've also got the factory restraints that were built in Japan by Nissan. So these features are quite good. They work as a safety mechanism. So we've got a remote here. You press and hold the button to turn it on, and then you push this button to bring them out. Another added bonus is if for any reason you need to stop, I can let go of that and those hooks will hold onto the wheelchair. It's an excellent safety feature in case something gets dropped or something happens around the vehicle. The person in the chair is always going to be safe and secure. So we're going to keep bringing that in. We'll turn this back on, and now I'm going to show you how the wheelchair restraints work. So here we've got some guide wheels. We're just going to fold them away like that. Like so, and that'll give us plenty of room to attach these. To attach these, you want to pull these up, slot them into the spot. We're going to move this a little bit out of the way, slide it in, and you see them lock into place. Pull this little lever to unlock it, and then hook it onto the chair. And you can use this to tighten it down, like so. One belt here, which comes down and across. into that slot there, so they're color matched. You've got gray to gray, and then you've got your light gray here. I'm going to get Jason to pass it over. There we go. And then you've got your second belt point, which will go in there, and that will create your 3-point harness, or 4-point in this case, and that's what makes you fully legal to be on the road. To bring the ramp up, all you have to do is lift it up. Very easy, very light, and it's spring loaded as well, so there's not much effort to it. So click into place, press this button to bring the suspension back up.